We now know that Making Tax Digital is going to be obligatory from April 2026. So it's been put back on a number of occasions. It's first announced back in 2015. So quite a long time ago. It's been coming for a while, and the Revenue's had very many meetings and working groups with the profession. But without doubt, will we be ready for this? We will have to interact with our clients on at least a quarterly basis. And that's going to mean, certainly in my view, automation, faster data collection. That's going to be what's key to this new regime. Now, many of you have spent a lot of money over the last 11 years getting ready for these new systems. Many of you have coped admirably and very well, or of course, with the introduction of Making Tax Digital for VAT as a first step along this road. I have great confidence in the accounting and tax professions to deal with this sort of change. We've always dealt with it in the past, and I've no doubt we will deal with it come 2026. But it's getting ready, making sure the clients are up to speed, probably with new accounting software, in order to be able to provide us with the new data requirements on a quarterly basis. And that we are ready in terms of the introduction of these new systems. So that will mean 4 quarterly submissions per business, then 1 end of period statement, which is the final rounding up with all the tax adjustments in. Although the facility will exist to do end of period tax adjustments quarterly, in other words, capital allowances, those sorts of adjustments as you go if you wish. You don't have to, but you will be able to. And again, I see that as an important choice for accountants and tax practitioners to make. Do we do tax adjustments as we go, add back the depreciation, do the capital allowances? Of course, for many businesses, it's quite difficult to do capital allowances on an ongoing basis. But to the extent that we can, or that the information is already available, I see that as part of feeding into the clients their annual ongoing tax liability. Then there'll be an annual final declaration, the signing of the tax return, as we do now, if you like, for the client, all to be filed via Making Tax Digital compliant accounting and tax software, which is funded, if you like, sourced from those digital records, the information stored digitally on the clients and our accounting software.